does this surfboard fit together? Nope. Yep. That's not right either. Nope.
Hiya, Goof.
Whoa! It's you, Mickey. You won't believe what I saw today. A lion with flashing eyes. And he made the biggest, most loudest sound you ever heard.
Do you remember what sound Sparky makes? Roar! Roar!
That's the sound. I remember walking along when suddenly...
Hiya, Goofy.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Out of here! Ouch! Double ouch! I broke my surfboard. See?
Don't worry, pal. We can fix it.
Sure we can. But how, Mickey?
Maybe we have a mouse tool that can help us. Everybody say, "Oh, toodles!"
Oh, toodle!
This is the Maryland Department of Emergency Management with the coordinated test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters are testing equipment used to warn you during an emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
A microphone or the mystery mouse tool. We can't fix Goofy's surfboard with a microphone, so that means it's time for the mystery mouse tool. Everybody say, mystery mouse tool. What's today's mystery mouse tool? Tape. Right. Will tape help us fix Goofy's surfboard? You betcha! We got ears. Say cheers!
Gorge! That's one big roll of tape.
It sure is.
I can fix it.
Donald, wait! Score! Here, Donald, you can hold the tape. Will you help us pull off a giant piece of tape so we can fix Goofy's surfboard? Great! Reach your hands out, grab the tape, and pull, pull, pull. Now, tear it off.
Let her zip.
Zip! There you go, Goofy.
Goodies do.
Gee, thanks everybody.
Say, Goof, you haven't seen Sparky again, have you?
I can't find my lion.
Nope, but we can ride my surfboard and go look for him if you like.
A real boy.
Surf's up!
Come on, everybody. Surf with us and keep your eyes peeled for Sparky. Good surfing, everybody.
Look! Sand!
Sparky?
Huh, thanks, Goofy.
You're welcome!